Amazing homemade recipe for beautiful skin. The feel of our skin is actually of high significance, as it can be a good physical feature, a good as well as healthy pores and skin sense, a note of good care beauty along with a healthful body. Many people fight to treat their own skin problems and utilize various costly treatments to deal with spots, facial lines, and scars. Yet, these types of cosmetic products, in many cases, are too wealthy with harmful chemicals, which in fact jeopardize our health. For that reason, you ought to always try to look for a healthy organic alternative to deal with your problems. The following homemade recipe is going to clear scars and recover the healthful shine of the skin. The main component is hydrogen peroxide that is often used in order to white staining on clothes. Therefore this effectively whitens their skin underneath the armpits as well as removes places and scars. This is how you do it. Components: 3 drops associated with natural glycerin, 2 tablespoons of powder milk, 4 droplets of hydrogen peroxide, 1 small lime juice. Directions: you should blend all components. In addition to mix well, having a spoon. You need a rich and creamy smooth mixture. Leave it in order to sit for a minute and then it really is ready to utilize. How to use this? You should at first wash their face area well as pat this dry. After that apply this particular mixture like a mask in its appearance and let it stay to act at night time. In the morning clean it away with chilly water as well as pat dried out. This should be performed once a week and you may notice amazing effect. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.